Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video I'm going to introduce this ultrasonic pest repeller. This ultrasonic repeller is an effective solution for repelling squirrels, mice, and other rodents using high frequency sound waves. In this video I'll go over the features of this ultrasonic pest repeller and then I'll take you through all of the settings, so stick around. Alright, so inside your box, you're going to receive a little user's manual, a USB Type-C plug, which is going to power your unit on, a remote control, which will be able to adjust all your settings and features on your ultrasonic repeller, and then we have our ultrasonic repeller. If you do not want to use the remote control that comes with it, it does have the operating functions located underneath on the bottom of your unit. This unit features 3 speakers. So you got sound coming out for 360 degrees, as well as 3 sets of LED lights located at the top here. And then a status indicator light will be shown at the top here, which I'll show you in just a little bit. This repeller is designed for indoor use in dry locations, non-humid areas only. So it's great for homes, offices. You can install these in your garages as well. Now we'll go ahead and get this unit powered up and then I'll go over the 4 functions that it has. Alright, to power the unit on, you are going to need a USB plug that you can plug your cord into that comes with it. We'll plug that into an extension cord for now, just for the test, but you're going to want to plug that into an outlet in your room somewhere. And then we're going to plug in the cord into the little Type-C slot located right here. Now we're going to locate our remote control, pull out the little plastic tab located on the bottom. And we're going to turn the power on with the press of this button here. And right now it is going through a series of tests. Such a low frequency that only mice and other rodents can hear it. You're going to see a little red circle up at the top here. That does let you know that you are in test mode. And it looks like when I put my hand over the top, it does activate off of light. So there is a light sensor. My cat, she loves to be in the videos. There is. She's wondering what that sound is. So if you guys want to know if this is harmful to your pets, it's not. They're just curious over the sound, as you can see here. She wants to know what that is. She sees the flashing lights and she likes that. So I do get a lot of questions when I test these types of products. Do they affect your pets? And as you can see here, that she is not affected by it. She's just curious. As soon as I turned it on, she came down. All right, come here, girl. I gotta put her down so we can finish our video. Good girl. All right, so there is a little sensor on the top here. You put your fingers over the top of it. It does allow for light sensing, and that is, she's very curious of what that is. All right, there is a sensor on top here, though I was saying. When you put your fingers over the top, it does let you know that it's dark outside, so it does let the light emit. During the daytime, the lights will not emit. Let's put it in mode 2 now, which is ultrasonic mode. And see if our cat can pick that up now, if that bothers her at all. She doesn't seem to be affected by it. She's just curious as to what the thing is. Now you'll see there is a green light on top here, which indicates that you're in ultrasonic mode. Mode 3 is your trans mode, so we'll test that out now. Now in that mode, you're going to see a blue light located at the top. And now we'll switch it over to number 4, which is dual mode. So not only gives off 360-degree ultrasonic sounds, it also gives off a 360-degree light, which rodents don't like. And it doesn't really affect my cat much. She just loves it. She's sitting up here on the table and is very curious about it. So that's good to know. These are safe for pets, cats, and dogs. If you have any hamsters or gerbils, that might be a different story. So back to mode 2, which is Ultra. In Ultra mode, you're going to see that green light located at the top. The device will emit variable ultrasonic frequencies at 22 to 35 kilohertz. And in this mode, the device repels mice, squirrels, rats, voles, and porcupines. When we go to mode 3, which is the trans mode, you're now going to see the blue light on the top. In trans mode, this device will emit ultrasonic fixed frequency of 25 kilohertz. In this mode, the device repels bats, roaches, spiders, and other pests. And finally, in dual mode, the light will be turned red at the top again as well in dual mode. Both Ultra mode and trans mode will be working at the same time. So you'll have the both of both worlds here. You'll be able to repel mice, squirrels, rats, and other rodents, as well as bats, roaches, spiders, and other pests. So if you're going to be using this unit, dual mode is probably the perfect mode to be in. Now, if you look on the bottom here, we can go through and turn the LEDs on or off. You can go through your 4 modes, and then you do have a power button to turn the unit on and off. So if you're looking for the perfect solution to repel any of those nasty rodents or pests that you have in your house, and you're worried about your cats or dogs, this is the perfect unit for you. When I did turn the unit on, my cat was interested in it. She came jumping up, wanted to check it out, but it did not affect her at all. It didn't seem to bother her. She just was curious more than anything. The unit is lightweight. It measures roughly 6 inches in diameter. It does feature the 3 LED lights all the way around, which is nice. One thing to keep in mind is to make sure that you do keep this in a dry location. Here's my other cat. She's checking it out now too. What is that, huh? My cats love being in my videos. So the unit is turned on, as you can see, and it's not affecting my cats at all. They're just curious and they like to be in my videos here. What is that, Jazzy, huh? Yeah, good girl. So make sure that you place this where it cannot get rained on or anything like that. Your garage is fine, basement, any of your levels on your house will be just fine as well. One last thing I do want to note about this unit is the sound is slightly noticeable when you're standing right next to it. It's a very faint clicking, hissing, it's hard to describe. I'm not sure if my microphone is picking it up. Let me take my microphone here and get it close and see if you guys can hear what I'm hearing. But when you're more than 5 feet away from this unit, you can't even hear it at all. So it's not going to disturb you while you're sleeping, watching movies, or having any kind of family gatherings. So that's something to consider as well. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll leave a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.